All right, let's look at question 19. It says the interior angles of a hexagon are 107, 2x, 150 degree, 95 degree, 2x minus 15, and 123. Find what this x is. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So let's find the total sum of angles. That's n minus, so you have 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 6 minus 2, that's 4. 4 times 180 degrees will give us 720 degrees. So that's the sum of interior angles of a hexagon. Now, add all this together, equate it to 720. So we have 107 plus 2x plus 150 plus 95 plus 2x minus 15 plus 123 equals to 720. Okay, this will give us 4x. This will give us 4x plus 460 is equals to 720. Now take this 460 to the other side, subtract it. This is 4x is equals to 720 minus 460. That will give us 260. 4x is equals to 260. Divide both sides by 4. And we have that our 4 here 1, 4 here 1, 4 here 1, 4 here 65. So our x is 65. So that's the value of x, option B.